Planoly. This one is also a great tools to do your content management on social media platforms, but they are more dominant to Instagram and Pinterest. As you can see, you can easily schedule your content from Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook and Twitter. They do provide these features, but their performance is very high when it's come to Pinterest and Instagram. So you can able to do the same thing. You can able to schedule your posts, you can able to design your content, so you will get all the premium feature. And the best part of this tool and why I use it whenever I am recommending to any person who use or do some kind of product selling, like if you want to sell your products through Instagram or through Pinterest, then this content management software is really good and you have to go with this, because sometimes some people don't, they have a product but they don't have a website. So this software will help you to sell your product without having a website. You can easily do all the settings right here, and you can set the pricing, and you can just do your selling by single click. As you can see, they claim here, so you can read more about this. So you don't need to have any website. You can simply sell your product by connecting your account with this software. And one best thing about this is that you can able to design your content. Like they have a inbuilt editor, designing editor, which you can use for creating your content. They have pre-built templates which you can use as per your brand. You can able to customize that fully. So as you can see, you can read more about this. As I told you that their performance is very high when it's come to Instagram or Pinterest. So if your customer comes from more on Instagram or Pinterest, then you can use this software. This one is easily very effective and very easy to use. So this is the third tool which I have. If you want to upgrade, you can do that as well, but I would recommend you just start with free one, and if you find that these are getting working for your brand, then you can think of upgrading. I'll provide the link of this website or this content management software in the description, so you can come to this and just check everything.